The band never rehearsed. The band never needed to. Welcome to the smokiest, swingingest corner of the language. Here are 8 idioms from jazz. Number 1, in the groove. The needle finds the record's groove, and suddenly everything flows. Being in the groove means performing so smoothly it feels automatic. Number 2, a jam session. Nobody brought sheet music. Somebody starts, everybody joins, and it works. A jam session is making it up together, live, no plan, no net. Number 3, play it by ear. No script, no sheet. You listen and you answer. Playing it by ear means improvising as you go, one honest note at a time. Number 4, riff on it. Take the little melody, flip it, stretch it, hand it back changed. Riffing on an idea means building variations on someone's theme. Number 5, swing for it. The rhythm section leans in, and the whole room commits. Swinging for it means going all in, with rhythm and no half measures. Number 6, play second fiddle. The first fiddle gets the melody and the spotlight. The second fiddle gets the harmony. Playing second fiddle means always the supporting role, never the star. Number 7, blow your own horn. If the trumpet player will not praise the trumpet solo, who will? Blowing your own horn means announcing your own brilliance at volume. Number 8, face the music. The show is over. The critics are waiting. The review is printed either way. Facing the music means standing up and accepting what you have earned. And that is 8 idioms from jazz. Same time tomorrow, bring your own horn. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.